The Kruisherren Hotel changes. The nave now houses the hotel restaurant, crowned by fluorescent light objects. The side chapels have been turned into comfy lounges. Glass shelves with bottles of wine, a conference room and a bar are located in the choir.
When the actual owner, Mr. Oostwegel, got the permission to make a hotel out of this monumental building, there was one very specific condition to it. We could not transform the building into a hotel, we should build a hotel in it. And to do so, they used the box-in-box technique, meaning that everything you see here has been put loose in the building. Like this entresol, and then we also have the library on the other side, with the reason that if we take it out, the original building has not been damaged at all.
Everything here, all the galleries, the elevator, even the offices, everything can be removed within the space of 14 days. The original building takes absolute priority over the modern contents.
The big question was, of course, how do you bring a hotel interior into a monumental Gothic church? And where do you find the harmony in that? And we decided that we could find the harmony in bringing in the contrast, to show that old and new can enhance each other and can make each other even more beautiful, and so to close the circle of time. And that's what happened here in the Kruisherren Hotel.
Each of the 60 rooms and suites is unique. Each room features different designs and lots of artwork. Some of the pieces can even be purchased in the hotel and taken home. But the many lamps and exciting bright objects are not for sale. They've been invented, selected, and carefully staged by German lighting artist Ingo Maurer.
Well, he was convinced to come and have a look at this special project, and then he got convinced. So he added a few very special things to the Kruisherren project, meaning the tunnel, the copper tunnel where you enter the hotel, which is very special, of course. Then there's the big dishes in the church, and there's a lot of other lights. There's about 100 different lamps in this building, with the mark, the hand mark of Ingo Maurer as well.
This place is an inspiration to art lovers, architects, and designers. It manages to walk the thin line between medieval and high-tech. The result is a complete work of art, which enchants all who visit it. A stay here is a truly divine pleasure.
Pavilion, sculpture, or balloon. However Londoners choose to see this new structure, Rem Koolhaas has presented them with what he calls a new architectural myth. It's located in Hyde Park, but only until the end of the summer.
It's really wonderful to do something that disappeared, because people are making much less demands of it. It becomes less kind of moral issue, and you can therefore experiment much more. Yeah, it's more like a sketch or like a theater.
The pavilion took 6 months to complete. The large inflatable ovoid canopy is held up by a helium-filled membrane and is coated with polyester, with the intention to make it as lightweight as possible, yet stable.
So, I mean, as you see, this is a living, breathing structure. It's alive, basically. The balloon structure has 6,000 cubic meters of helium in the top of it, which gives it a net uplift of 3 tons. Once you take into account all the aluminium frame, etc., and that's the equivalent of 3 mini cars.
Rem Koolhaas designed the interior together with German artist Thomas Demand, who came up with the wall designs in tune with patterns which he created for his own gallery next door in the main Serpentine Gallery building.
But do you like the
No, I think it's quite
yeah, I think so too.
Really, it's actually also like
and really, what I like is that it's the most substantial thing.
No, I'm very proud. Thank you.
A new art platform for the entire city. Temporary architecture in tune with its surroundings. On warm sunny days, the helium-filled balloon can float 4 meters above the building.